About 2 weeks ago, I actually watched God Is Not Dead, which is a religious movie about a guy that enrolls in a philosophy class that is taught by an atheist. The teacher tells the students to sign a declaration that God is pretty much dead. And our great Christian knight of a main protagonist has his faith challenged by the evil, disgusting atheist lecturer. And this movie is fucking fantastic. It's extremely realistic and deep. Yeah, but let's be honest now because, my sarcasm sucks. This movie is utter garbage. It really isn't good for anybody, to be honest. The movie itself makes Christians come off as very manipulative, and that's what this movie is. Just pure propaganda for Christians to hate people that don't think the same way they do. And they present atheists as just these angry and whiny people that just hate God. And this is what religious people don't understand. Atheists don't hate God. They just don't believe God exists. Get it in your fucking brains. And let me point out the fucking obvious here. The teacher isn't a representation of an atheist. He's just an angry asshole that's upset that his mum died, so he's blaming the bearded man in the sky for not saving his mother's life. And let me tell you something else that's fucking obvious. If a teacher was forcing their beliefs on a student, well, they won't be teaching in schools anymore, they'd be on the fucking streets looking for another job. And there are other stories within the movie, but in the end they serve no fucking purpose whatsoever. For example, the Muslim girl getting abused by her father because she wants to convert to Christianity. Because the writer didn't want us to forget that if you're not a fucking Christian in this movie, you're a piece of shit. And I'm not even going to talk about the other stories because, different scenario, same outcome. If you want any of your problems to be solved, convert to Christianity and poof, they're all fucking gone. The biggest crime this film has committed isn't even anything I've said thus far, but it's all that and the fact that they're trying to make Christianity the oppressed minority, when they're the exact fucking opposite. Some of you Christians need to get your heads out of your asses. You're not the fucking oppressed, and you're not the fucking minority. In fact, it's usually freaking Christians doing most of the oppressing. Overall, this movie is just more dishonest and stereotypical garbage to get more people into Christianity. Seriously, even Christians should avoid this shitty ass movie. Read a book, go to school, get laid, play GTA 5 or something. Don't waste 2 hours of your life watching this piece of shit movie. I give this movie a very generous 2 out of 10. One of the points being because, I'm a generous motherfucker, of course. And the other point being because, the camera work wasn't half as bad, I guess. Hey man, credit where credit is due. This has been Birdie Rants. Sayonara, motherfuckers.